I don't know why you guys are not panicking, but just please look at this right now.
None of us is real. We're here because someone decided to write a prompt. We all hate him for it.
Welcome to a non-existent car show. Let's see some opinions.
What's one move with AI that makes haters go crazy every time?
Oh, y'all gotta give them that. This is wild. It's over. We are cooked on that thread. You get me?
Hi, and welcome to the channel.
I literally just found this out.
What?
Bro, our career is over. Bro, that's insane.
From today, you can make full-on videos, ads, organic videos, whatever, by pressing a button on Google's new AI. It's literally as simple as using ChatGPT. You just text what you want, and it creates a perfect video for you, including the sounds, the voice, everything.
I just have to re-film this right now because a few hours ago, I told one of the guys from the team to actually re-edit this ad right here. And just look at the result. This is just absurd. It looks exactly the same. Like, this is real, this is fake. You can't spot the difference. These ads were so difficult to make. You literally had to hire a girl who's gonna do shower gymnastics for this clip, and it's all gone. Like, filming is not needed anymore. This is just crazy.
On this episode of Shower Gymnastics, I ditched my razor and grabbed this. It's the Bleem Crystal Hair Eraser.
Just so you understand how big of a deal this is, if you don't start implementing this right now, you will 100% not going to be able to make money anymore because everyone is going all in on this right now, and your videos will have to compete with their videos, and their videos are going to be significantly better now. So it doesn't matter if you're a beginner, if you're advanced, if you do organic, if you face, whatever you're doing, stop and only do this. So first, let me show you click by click how to create a video like this in under 2 minutes, and then I'm also going to show you every possible way how you can use this for your dropshipping business. Very first of all, this tool is only available in the US. However, I'm not in the US and I'm still able to use it because we found a way around it, and I'm going to show it to you in a second. The easiest way to use this is, instead of prompting by yourself here, you just let ChatGPT generate the prompts for you and you copy and paste them in there. So you literally just tell ChatGPT something like, generate a perfect prompt for VO3 that will make a very natural looking UGC video of a girl saying whatever you want. Select the high quality mode to make your video significantly better and also include sound. So again, the stuff it creates with one simple prompt,
I was like, no way.
is just mind-blowing. And now let me go through every possible way you can use this for your dropshipping business and significantly increase everything. Number one, very obvious, is UGC. Up to this point, UGC content from real humans and from AI was not undistinguishable. Right now, you cannot see the difference at all. It's literally perfect. So UGC looks and sounds perfect now. Whenever you make a script for your video or for your ad or for whatever you do, you always have to have a bunch of B-rolls, and until now, you either had to use some sort of stock footage or film by yourself. Well, at this point, you can create whatever perfect video you want. Now for the organic guys, just look at this clip right here. It's fully AI generated. So the crazy thing is you can't even differentiate which one is real and which one is fake. This one's fake, this one's real. However, you don't have to film stuff like this anymore. You can literally go viral by making videos like this with a press of a button. 0 time spent, just one prompt. The next thing is street interviews. And I'm gonna tell you right now, probably the highest converting ads and videos in general are street interviews.
What's one move with AI that makes haters go crazy every time?
Oh, y'all gotta give them that. This is wild. It's over. We are cooked on that thread. You get me?
With honest opinions of people on how good your product works or looks or whatever. You can now make street interviews completely with AI.
Yo, did you see that new mouth tape? It made me sleep the whole night.
Yeah, I wonder what your wife thinks about it. Hopefully you didn't snore.
The reason why these street interviews were converting so well is because it's so difficult to get these crazy reactions and just generally get good clips, because you have to go out there and actually do that stuff, right? Well, you don't have to anymore. The next thing is adding authority figures. So doctors, teachers, nutritionists, saying whatever you want. Very scary stuff, but it looks like this.
Formulated with dermatology-grade ingredients, it's gentle enough for sensitive skin, but powerful enough to reduce fine lines.
By the way, if you actually want to know how I was able to use this tool without living in the US, just DM me AI USA and I will send it your way. And I'm also going to add all the templates we used to actually prompt every single different style of video with VO3. Next super scary thing is fake personal brands. We have a student which we did a case study with, Liam. He sold his store for hundreds of thousands of dollars, and he basically created this Instagram account which is called Budget with Millie. So he made hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars with a personal brand without even revealing the face. Now imagine if you would have an AI girl who can hold his products, do whatever you want, and literally just promote your product and pretend it's her brand.
This is the 100 envelope savings challenge binder.
That is absolutely insane. The other thing is fake podcast clips, just people promoting your product, talking about your product.
Bro, have you seen this sun cream all over TikTok?
Yes, the one that makes you tan like 10 times faster.
All the highest converting ads, which had a massive barrier to entry, which made it difficult to make them, are now easily accessible to everyone, and everyone can do it without a problem. So this whole thing is literally insane. We officially entered dropshipping season 2 because nothing is the same anymore. The whole game has fully changed.
So I went to the zoo the other day, and all they had was one dog. It was a Shih Tzu.
As we speak right now, I'm restructuring my entire dropshipping business. I'm restructuring the entire mentorship program on how to fully take advantage of this. By the way, don't get me wrong. Yesterday, I made $60,000 with my stores with AI, but before this update. My ads were already fully AI generated before this whole update. All the content for my store was basically done with AI. Just imagine what's gonna happen over the next few years. And I was stressing this for the last month, but I'm telling you this one more time. We are Bitcoin in 2013. This is where we are right now. The whole world does not use AI yet. Right now, if you use it, you outcompete everyone. And we've seen it with everything we do. Our ads, our store, everything is performing significantly better since we implemented all the AI tactics that we teach inside our mentorship program. Now, next week, we are releasing Bernstein Consulting's 2.0, which is a full-on AI program. There's just one main thing which is going to happen over the next few years, and it's only AI. Everything that's going to happen is going to be based around it. I hate fake scarcity, and I never use these scarcity tactics to sell the mentorship program. I was always very transparent about how everything will keep working forever because people will keep buying online. Well, I don't have that opinion at all anymore. At this point, I know for a fact AI is going to take over the entire marketing industry over the next few years, and you have to stack money right now as long as it works. And it actually does work so much easier than usually because making dropshipping work is really difficult. However, all these difficult tasks can just be outsourced to AI, and AI can just do them for you. I was never ever expecting that in 2025, you can make perfect AI videos that are undistinguishable from regular non-AI videos. This is absurd. If you want to capitalize on this, you can click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session, and then we're going to see if we're a good fit for our mentorship program. It's a one-on-one program. We will teach you everything you need to know about AI, how to find the perfect product, and obviously also guide you along the way with literally everything. So selecting the best products, making the best ads, because AI is not going to help you make a good ad if you don't know what a good ad is. We will guide you through the entire process of creating everything and scaling to your first 10, 20, 30K profit per month. If you're interested, click the link below, sign up for a call, and we're going to see if it's a good fit.